the similar fashion, as we have created this category page right over here, we can see that we had used this category page and we had used it into our project. We have called it in as a template part and we have used it right over here. We practically created a single page known as category.php. We have placed everything inside it, and now in case of this archive page, as we can see that this is the archive page. Now we need to redefine it into a separate place and call it in as a template part in the similar fashion. So that is why we will be heading back to our text editor here, and right inside this template folder, mind it, do not keep these files outside of this individual folder that we have created. This is the template folder. So all we are now going to do, we are going to create a new file here which is known as archive.php. Remember to check the spelling again. We have misspelled a lot on our previous occasions, so do not make any error in creating this particular page and rechecking these individual spellings here. So archive.php, hit enter. Now get back to category first, and here all we are going to do, we are going to copy this thing. We are getting back to archive.php first of all. Now if we keep it up to this far, head back to this index.php, and here into this archive, these are the parts. So we will be cutting them and we'll be heading back to archive.php that we have created, and we will be pasting them all inside. Now inside this index.php, all we are about to do the same exact thing that we had done earlier. We had called in this template part as a category page. Now we will be calling the archive page as the template part. So this is the category. Instead we will be needing this archive page here. Press Ctrl S, head back to your project and reload. And we can see that everything seems to be into order, but both in this individual archive page and into this individual category page, we can see that this continue reading box is practically lying outside the container that we had created.